Yeah, you better leave it longer, Mark. You're going to be one of those YouTube videos. You're going to be dropping it right on the fucking back of it.
Here we go.
Big.
It's gonna come right off, probably. It's so rotted.
Oh, his bumper's gonna come off first.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh!
Lost the bumper.
And you said there was no nest in there, right?
No.
There.
Well, because he came there probably last year.
Bumper almost came off, Mark.
What?
Your bumper almost came off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Wow, is it ever rotted, eh? Oh, look at all the
Fucking mess.
Holy shit, look at all the bee
look
nests.
at the bee's nest.
Wow. Oh, there's not much left of that though. Eh?
No.
Ooh.
Wonder if I could drag it right through to the other side while it wrecked the lawn.
Probably.
Wreck the lawn.
Oh, we can't just leave it here now.
Oh, look at the ants.
Let's drag it.
Oh.
Yeah, you can tell.
That's great. Now we got another. Logging dead?
Yep.